Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Apple and Alphabet are not just stocks. They are infrastructure companies for the modern world. One lives in your pocket. The other lives in the internet itself. Both generate tens of billions in profit. Both dominate their industries. Both sit at the center of ETFs like VOO, QQQ, and SCHG. But today's question is simple and difficult. If you could buy only one stock right now, which is better, Apple or Alphabet? This video will not hype either company. This is about business fundamentals, long-term ownership, risk, and reality. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Apple's strategy revolves around crafting an interconnected experience where each product and service enhances the user's engagement with the brand. By placing the iPhone at the heart of this ecosystem, Apple ensures that users don't just purchase devices, they integrate into a lifestyle supported by services, creating a dependency that is hard to escape. The convenience of this ecosystem ultimately keeps users within Apple's grasp, as the transition to alternative platforms becomes a complicated and often undesirable choice. Thus, the company's business model thrives on these layers of interdependence, creating a powerful economic fortress. iCloud offers seamless storage, while Apple Music provides an endless library of tunes, enriching lives through entertainment at their fingertips. In conclusion, Apple has successfully transformed from a traditional tech company into a consumer ecosystem powerhouse, leveraging its core strengths to build an impenetrable moat. By fostering extreme brand loyalty and creating substantial switching costs, it ensures that once customers are in, they are unlikely to leave, guaranteeing ongoing success. Apple prioritizes financial stability over high-risk ventures, making strategic decisions that reflect its maturity. By consistently buying back shares and reducing the overall count, the company fosters value for its long-term investors. These moves signal to the market that Apple is committed to protecting shareholder interests. Apple's approach shines as a model for cautious yet effective growth. Apple's disciplined financial strategies and focus on shareholder value not only solidify its reputation as a mature, dependable company, but also ensure its appeal to conservative investors seeking long-term growth and security in their portfolios. Apple's risks may not be immediately visible, but they form a complex web that could impact its future. For instance, the company's significant reliance on the iPhone creates vulnerabilities, especially if consumer preferences shift. Slower revenue growth may also signal deeper issues that need addressing to maintain market leadership in a competitive landscape. Success for Apple hinges on its ability to navigate these risks while safeguarding its stronghold in the market. Only by addressing these challenges can the company continue to thrive in an ever-evolving industry. Alphabet's strategy hinges on its ability to analyze and leverage vast amounts of data generated by its users. Unlike traditional companies that focus on selling tangible products, Alphabet seeks to understand and predict human behavior. This approach not only fuels its growth but also enhances its competitive edge in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Every interaction contributes to Alphabet's expansive data ecosystem. As a result, Alphabet continuously adapts its services and engages users in ways that drive both innovation and revenue, solidifying its position as a leader in the digital age. Ultimately, this unique business model not only reshapes industries but also challenges conventional thinking about technology and its role in our lives. As the internet evolves, Alphabet stands out as a titan, harnessing the power of AI not just to improve its existing products, but to dominate the future landscape of technology. The integration of AI into everyday tools ensures that users remain engaged and loyal, solidifying Alphabet's prominent position in a competitive market. Alphabet's reach extends into crucial realms like healthcare and autonomous vehicles, showcasing its commitment to applying AI for real-world impact. As a primary force in the AI revolution, Alphabet is poised to redefine industries and elevate technological standards, reinforcing its role not just as a leader, but as a pioneer paving the way for an innovative future. Alphabet's strong financial profile emphasizes significant cash flow generation and minimal debt levels. This strategic focus on buybacks, coupled with continuous reinvestment, marks a pivotal transition toward enhancing shareholder returns. This shift enhances its appeal significantly. As Alphabet evolves, it not only positions itself for sustainable growth but also establishes a foundation for future stability, ensuring that shareholders benefit alongside the company's continued success in an increasingly competitive market. Alphabet faces unique challenges that set it apart from Apple, particularly in the realm of advertising revenue cyclicality, where economic shifts can profoundly impact earnings. AI competition intensifies, pushing Alphabet to innovate rapidly and maintain its edge in an ever-evolving technological landscape. As Alphabet navigates these complexities, it must also contend with mounting regulatory pressure and antitrust scrutiny, further complicating its path forward. Ultimately, while these risks present significant challenges, they also offer Alphabet opportunities for growth and strategic adaptation in a competitive market. In comparing Apple and Alphabet, we see two distinct investment philosophies. Apple exemplifies stability with predictable returns. Apple's strength lies in its buybacks and brand loyalty. On the other hand, Alphabet thrives on innovation and boasts remarkable AI leadership, which fuels its reinvestment strategies. This approach positions Alphabet for higher growth potential, although it comes with increased volatility that investors must consider when evaluating their options. When it comes to investing, understanding your personal goals and risk tolerance is essential. While Apple provides a safe harbor for those seeking stability and long-term gains, Alphabet attracts those ready to embrace the exciting potential of technological advancements and market fluctuations. Balancing both can be a wise strategy. Choose Apple for steady growth. Choosing between Apple and Alphabet ultimately depends on individual preferences. However, many investors would benefit from a diversified approach that includes both stocks, thus harnessing the unique advantages each offers for a well-rounded investment portfolio. In the end, it's essential to recognize that individual strategy plays a crucial role. Whether you choose Apple's stability or Alphabet's potential for groundbreaking advancements, successful investing hinges on your ability to withstand market volatility and stay committed. The essence of resilience in investing cannot be overstated. Ultimately, both Apple and Alphabet exemplify strengths that cater to different investment philosophies. By understanding their unique positions, investors can align their choices with long-term goals, ensuring that they are equipped to navigate whatever challenges the market may present in the years ahead. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. All investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. What are your thoughts on the future of these tech giants? Share your insights, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our content. Comment below, Apple or GOOG, and why. Your participation is invaluable. We appreciate every comment and thought you share with us. As long-term investors, your insights can spark meaningful discussions. Remember to like, share, and continue engaging with our community. Thank you for being part of this journey.